Hello everyone, and welcome back to my gardening and growing channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to use this kit and try to grow some mushrooms indoors. As you can see, it's an organic mushroom mini farm, and it's made by this company Back to the Roots. Now, to be honest, I purchased this a number of years ago, so it's been sitting in my basement. I buy these things and intend on doing them, and then it just kind of doesn't happen. But well, let's see if it works anyway. I don't know why it shouldn't. I don't know if there's any time frame as to where the spores won't grow. So anyway, we'll give it a try. So number one, scrape. Tear open the back panel, cut a plus into bag, and scrape away some of the top white layer of soil under flaps to start mushroom growth. Soil is 100% plant-based, so let's do that. Alright, so that looks really interesting. So let's cut it open and do some scraping. Alright, let's see how this works. Pretty easy. Sorry about the jiggle in there. Alright, so it's cut. We go get something to scrape it. There we go. Doesn't look white, so I'm not sure this is going to work or not, but we'll give it a go. Alright. To me that looks, I guess that is white. To me it looks pretty good. Number two, soak. Remove the bag from the box. Soak bag in bucket of water for 8 hours. Bag will float. So place scrape side face down, and then place the bag back inside the box. So let's get to soaking. Okay, so I really didn't have a bucket handy, so I'm going to use this big mixing bowl I have, and it should be fine. I don't see why not. So it says place it face down, so it's going to float. So that's the part where it was cut. You can see it's all gooey and grimy, so place it face down in the water, so it's going to float. And then it says wait 8 hours. So see you in 8 hours to show you what it looks like. Alright everyone, it's been 8 hours. It's been soaking 8 hours, and here's what it looks like. So you know what, I'm pretty sure this isn't going to work. When I opened the bag, it was actually damp already, so it didn't float, and then you see all this stuff floating around there. Yeah, I don't know, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try anyway. So what it says to do is, so it says place the bag inside the box, and then set the box near a window, avoid direct sun, and keep soil moist by sprinkling 2 to 3 teaspoons of water per day on the scraped area until mushrooms are fully grown. Baby mushrooms sprout in a week. So I'm going to do that and put it in the box and show you what it looks like. Here's how it looks, all back in the box. I see white stuff in there, so maybe that's good. Maybe that's the mycelium, and that'll turn into mushrooms. I guess we shall see. It's very wet right now. But what I think I'm going to do, instead of putting it kind of by a window, is set it downstairs, kind of by my grow lights in the basement, a little bit off to the side. So I'll give you an update when stuff starts to sprout, 7 days or whatever, maybe sooner. Maybe it won't sprout at all. I guess we'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.